What's up friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download a specific slide from your Google Slides as a PNG or a JPEG image. So let's take this slide here as an example, slide 5. Now in order to download this, then you just want to go ahead and click on File from the menu options and go down to Download, and you will see the option to basically download that current slide as a JPEG or PNG image. So let's use JPEG for example, and all we have to do is just click on this and it's going to download that specific slide. Now if I click on this slide, you will see the download here, that it download this specific slide. Let me move it over here so you can see it, and that's it. So this is a JPEG image, as you can see, and that's it. So if you're looking for how to download slides, guys, from your Google Slides, then you can easily go ahead and follow these steps to actually download a specific slide as you wish. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.